Hi. So you've got a smartphone and it's powerful and it's got a lot of memory and all that stuff. But isn't there times when you wish you had a keyboard to type with and a bigger monitor, and still use that 5G connection? Well, if you don't have a Pixelbook from Google and you do have a smartphone, they have created several different a laptop docking station is the best analogy I can make of it. There's a link in the show notes if you go to the GuyerCookReport.podbean.com. I've got a link to the Google document that talks about all the different docks and what they'll do for you in terms of connecting your smartphone to that bigger keyboard and that bigger screen. Thanks for taking time out of your day for this episode of the Guyer Cook Report, and thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap.